Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your PubG Mobile account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you don't want your PubG account anymore, deleting it is easy. To do it, start by going to the main dashboard of the app. Click the up arrow button from the bottom right to open the menu, and then select Settings. In the Basic Settings, tap Delete Account from the bottom. It's in small writing next to the Logout button. Your account will be deleted in 7 days. And after that it will be permanent and irreversible. You can cancel the deletion within 7 days by logging back into your account. Tap Exit Game. Your account will now start to be deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PubG tips and tricks. You have to wait 10 seconds to confirm you want to delete it. If you're sure, tap Delete Account.